Hi, my soy lovers. Welcome to my channel. My name is Johanna. If this is your first time clicking in, thank you so much. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Yeah, we do everything fashion talk, sewing tutorials. If you're a fashion lover, if you're a soy lover, yeah, it's the right place for you. So today, guys, I'm doing something from tutorial, something from sewing. I'll be analyzing and reviewing the looks that went to the Bridgerton premiere in Joburg, South Africa. Guys, are you ready? Are you ready? Take your popcorn, your juice, because this is going to be hot. As you can see, I'm also with my corset, my elbow length glove. I look so nice, like I'm going to the premiere. If you like my corset, please write in the comment section your corset is bomb, because why not? My corset. I wanted to be in the mood because So let's get to it. The theme for the Bridgerton Premiere 3 that was held in South Africa was Regency era into the spotlight. Yes, so those were outfits or fashion that trends between 1810 to 1820. So outfit like fitted silhouettes, voluminous skirts. Then for men, we're talking about fitted pants, tailcoats, hat, things like that were worn between 1810 to 1820. Let's see what our celebrity has for us. I'll be starting with Sarah Langer. Sarah Langer is wearing a deep V-neck corset with feather-like trims. I love the feathers on the neckline, and I like also the way she accessorized. Very subtle. It's very subtle, not too much. The gloves, the choker, the tiara, which is nice. I also love her hair. You see, when we're talking about Regency era, we're talking about hair, just big hair. Like, you don't have to do simple. Their hair are always big, their hair are always dramatic. So she really kept to the theme, and that's very good. Sarah, you killed it. I love it. And also a gathered ball skirt. It's so nice. I love the way she actually had seams going around. So nice, I like it, and she did well. Next is Sipo Kutle. Sipo Kutle is wearing a corseted straight dress. It looks like a mermaid dress, but it's not a mermaid dress. It's a straight bottom, and I love the color. The color suits her skin. It's maroon, and I think the T of this dress is the bubble train. I just love it. It's so dramatic. It's so dramatic. I love it. I think that is the real deal of this outfit. I love her makeup. Her makeup is nice. Her frontal. No, seriously, whoever did this outfit killed it, nailed it, and understand the assignment. Seriously, she killed it. And I also love the way she added belt, like beaded belt on the waistline. It's also very nice, like a pop of color. Very nice. Well done, Simple Kutle. Well done, Sipo. I think I'll stop there. Next is Maxine Magwape. Maxine is wearing a corseted top and a straight skirt. So I think it's a dress. So I love the two choice of colors she used on this dress. It's blue and like baby blue. I love the way she used two blues and a touch of white. It's so nice. It's a Victorian corset and it's so snatched. And I also love the way she added beads, just a small detail, not too much. The dress is not giving too much. I think the drama of this dress is the jacket train with wing neck piece. So when I saw a video of this, I was like, wow. The jacket is not just with sleeves and train, it also comes with this wing, like a collar, which is so nice. It's so beautiful. And also like an elbow glove, like what I'm wearing, and a fan. So just a touch of white to our outfit, I think is beautiful. Tiara, makeup, lovely. And her hair, so dramatic. When it comes to the Regency era, the hair are always dramatic, so she killed it. So that is how it's supposed to be. And I also love the tiara, makes everything look nice. Next is Ebuka. Ebuka is wearing a two-piece, a white two-piece. The texture of this fabric is the bomb to this outfit because wow, a tailcoat and a pants. It's very, very nice. High-waisted pants, high-waisted, and a top hat, bracelet. But Ebuka always delivers, seriously. But like, no, he killed it. He killed it. I love his styling. Whoever styled him knows what they are doing. Yeah, they know what they're doing. It's really, really tailored. The pants tailored, the jacket very tailored. Like, no, killed it. Next is Osa's official Osa's. You see, one thing about this dress, she did not do too much. Very, very, very light, like simple. I don't like stress. This is like I don't like stress dress because it's a two-piece. It's a two-piece corset and midi length skirt with train. I love it. I love it. It's simple and elegant, and also I think the vavavoom of this outfit is the sleeve, the ruffle sleeve that gives like an off-shoulder effect. I love it. It's so nice. And also like the flower she added to the center front. It's beautiful. It's nice and goes well with the theme. Our hair is giving Queen Charlotte because this dramatic hair I'm seeing right here, oh no, it's beautiful. I love their hair. They all understood the assignment when it comes to hair and makeup. They do. So now I know that you are not from the 2015 or 2010 or whatever. I know where you're from. You get. So it's so beautiful. And I also love the mini glove. I love the way she played with satin and lace. It's very nice. Well done, Osas. Next is Lillian. All I can say is that she ate this look. Like the colors are popping. The way it comes, the colors come from like green, blue, red, through nothing. It's beautiful. Well done. The sleeves, makeup, the hair. Wow. The choice of fabrics, colors, hair and makeup is what makes this theme come to life. It's what makes this theme come to life. And the corset, look at her waist. If you know her in real life, you know that she's not really a slender person, but her waist being like that. Her makeup was good. Her makeup was like, she looks like the queen of a castle, like a queen of a kingdom. Like she's just coming out to like take tea or somewhere. Like I feel like there's supposed to be like two maids by her side because what? Well done Lillian. Wow. Next is Taimi-san. It looks like a duke. Yeah. It looks like a prince. It looks like a prince of England, I would say. He understood the assignment. I like his jacket. He played with the colors. It's like an off-shoulder jacket. But I love the way he plays with the colors. I love the way he played with the colors and the top art. He stick to the theme. The theme, yeah, I can see the Regency era here in his look. He understood the assignment. Seriously, he did so well. And I also love the way he used the walking stick. Most times the stick is used as a Nigerian accessory. Look to I love it. Well done, Ty. Next is Hilda Barcy, guys. Hilda Barcy looks like a princess because the colors, the volume of the skirts, the layers, the background, everything is just beautiful. Like she's like a princess of a kingdom. Like me, the color is a win for me. Well done, Hilda. You nailed it. So guys, we have come to an end of this video. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you got to this point of this video, please write the Bridgerton. That would be so nice for me to see. I'll be so happy. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day. Bye bye from me.